Friends, today we are going to learn how you can create an event on the Facebook page. There are two types of events. The first is offline event, that is in person, and the other is online event or virtually. So the virtual event can be called as a webinar or an online workshop. So means this video will address both of your purposes. If you are planning to host an event at a venue and want to inform people about it, you can create event on your page and tell others that event is happening here. And let's say if you want to do a workshop, or might be if you want to do a webinar, you can tell that to people. Now this works on both ways. So if you organically have a lot of followers, then many people will come to know through your page, and those who will be interested in your page will join it. But if you want to run ads, maybe you want to run ads on webinar, or maybe you want to run ads on a workshop and you want to connect people through it, then also you need to create the event, then only you can run the ads there. Alright. So this video is very important. It is very important for many categories, especially for those who bring in the business through the webinars. Okay, or those who sell tickets of events. So friends, this will be very much beneficial for many other categories. Alright, so make sure to watch this video till end. But remember that this course is being created by a digital marketing agency. It's built by a team of experts from Marketing Fundas. So learn this course properly, don't miss anything, and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. I'll give you one more update. If some of you wants to learn this course live with the industry experts, so we run our live batches also. So for that you can call or WhatsApp us on the given number. Or if you want your business to move forward with our professional team, then also you can contact us. So come on, let's move forward and learn how to create an event on Facebook. So friends, you can create the event step by step in a better way. Okay, so friends, now here we are looking on the computer screen. Okay, so now we will learn how to create an event. And for that I will go to my Facebook page, and there I will click on the top left corner. On my page you can see more option. I'll click on it. Now you can see events option, so I'll click on it. Here you won't see events because this is a new page. I haven't created any events yet because we are starting from beginning. So here in events I will click on the create event. So here we need to fill many fields. So this banner that appears above is displaying my profile's banner. Oh sorry, it has taken the banner of my page, but we don't need to add banner of page. We have to put banner of event. So here we will click on edit option and then we'll go to upload. But for now here I'm uploading a dummy banner by clicking on it. So banner will appear here. The banner has arrived. Check its size before uploading it. I have uploaded it only for a dummy so that it doesn't get cut and content is visible. Here you can add other photos or multiple photos or even videos as well. So when you will edit this here and when you will move to the next step. So the host is MF Digital Marketing. Since this agency's page is our host, means we are the host. So now first we will give a name to the event. Friends, any workshop, any webinar or any event that you will be doing will have a name. So here it is AI. Workshop. I will turn this into an AI artificial intelligence live workshop. So I have named this as AI live workshop. So here you need to put the start date and end date, etc. Because people should know that when and at what time is it starting. Let's say I have put 10th as a start date and I will set the start time as 1 PM in the afternoon. Okay. So we went here and have set the time as 1 PM. Okay, now the time zone that is coming is our. You need to enter the end time. The date will remain 10th and the time will be, it will be 2 PM from 1 to 2 for 1 hour. This event or a workshop. Is it in person or virtual, which I have explained you. So let's suppose that I'm in Delhi, okay, in an auditorium at a particular place. If I am doing this event, then I'll add in person here and also I'll add location details. So then it will change and you have to enter the location of venue. Here instead of in person, I'll be doing it virtually, which means the event will happen online. I have 3 options. Facebook Live means live stream will happen on Facebook page. So here, there is an external link. Now it can be any external link. You can put in the Zoom link as well, or you can join using Google Meet or any third-party platform. And in the event link, now I will immediately add the link of our website. Okay. Because I don't have a Zoom link or anything right now, so I have to put a link for dummy. So I went there and put in my website link, okay? It's up to you. If you want to add a Zoom link, a third party app or any other link, then you can add it, through which people can join. Okay friends, now here what are the details? It's important to provide event details. So I will put here the latest AI online income options and job opportunities. Now I've written this just for dummy that we have online income or job opportunities or artificial intelligence, about which we will discuss. But now it depends on you. Here you will only be able to write 2 or 3 lines properly. People will only read those 2 or 3 lines. They don't want to read the paragraphs. In that 2-3 lines you need to write impressive content so that people feel that this is a very important workshop and it is important event, so we should join once. But if your content doesn't match the expectation and your message isn't reaching people, then what will you do? So even if you invest money or you do organically, but if event is not interesting, why will people join? So keep this in mind and think about it very effectively. And write it more like a copywriting than content writing. Write in such a way that it attracts people to join. Now here, market your event. Now friends, here you have to add the category. Alright? Because how will you tell Facebook from which niche or which category does this event is related to? How will you tell people? If people are liking this, then Facebook will think that they are interested, show this to them, so that more people can join. So here we will do the professional networking, or in a way an industry, or more accurately like-minded people will interact and build a network. Here add a co-host. Who is the co-host? Let's assume that this event is not just being sponsored or launched by Marketing Fundas. So with us, ABC company or any individual person is together co-hosting or launching this. Okay, so now here just suppose if I write Adil here and here, if I will click on Adil. So here an invitation will be sent to him that you have been asked to do co-hosting and you have been made a co-host. So if Adil accepts the invitation, then people will see that this event is hosted by Marketing Fundas and Adil, or if it is by any other company. Until they accept the invitation, they won't become the co-hosts. Here it is repeat event. If you want to repeat event again and again, or even for a single time, so you can add it here. If you will repeat, then you have to add date and time here, because we don't have to repeat. So we've kept it as never. The communication settings have been updated with new settings. So here this event that we have updated the default settings, so we can share with our guest. Okay, that if they want to post about the event, so they can post, and if you want to show your guest list, then you can keep it on. Only the host can post this event. Okay, if you turn that on, then only host will be able to post the event. The post must be approved by a host. Some post is uploaded, but host has to approve it. Okay, posts and comments detected. As potential spam will be held for your review, so keep this on. Okay. So these settings depends on you, what you want to do and what you don't want to do. So friends, now that you have created the Facebook page in this way, right? Here you have to click on create event. Once you click on it, your event will be created. I am not creating it now because I don't want to display. So now I will cross this. You only have to click on create event. After clicking, as you will create the event, you will be able to see the event here. Okay. So in this way, you can now create the workshop. Or even you can create either a webinar or an offline event. So guys, now I hope that you will also use such a powerful feature like events. Thank you.